cargo. You're still losing cargo. Yeah, you got stuff hanging off the side. That's pretty dangerous.
And I've got such a long way to go. Such a long way to go. Make it to the border of Mexico. So I ride like the wind, ride like the wind. Gonna ride like the wind.
Go! Go!
Yes. Hey, but these people right here, they get you in trouble. They don't put the right stuff.
Whoa! What?
This person right here.
Could have went.
I want a refill.
Oh my God! Go! You had 2 shots to go.
A large.
You buy a large?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. If it's a refill, you have your receipt. If you don't have your...
Move over. Move over. Move over. I'm giving you space.
Okay, so what you're going to see Blaine doing is he's working on chaining Dr. Park. Ended up a little bit more post-apocalyptic than I planned. On second thought, I meant for it to look like that. Now it's a theme park. Problem solved. But whenever your parks aren't burning down, it's a good idea to make use of the new park maintenance city service building. It's not exactly required, but it's nice to have. A lot like the road maintenance building. It'll send out vehicles that go around and improve efficiency and attractiveness. And
like
keep track of attractiveness
read the signs.
You can refer to the park. It's kind of a moot point, I guess, if you're willing to mod your game, but it still seems like it should be an option already. Again, though, these aren't real major complaints, so much as they are things that I think you should be aware of.
And it's still greenish.
I recommend
don't know.
Well, $15 is what Park Life costs.
Let's look at the date.
It's not exactly.
The Raiders are moving to Vegas. I think the Raiders in Vegas is going to work. I do. I think Vegas is going to work. I don't see LA working. And I find it disgusting that
personal finances and stuff. At least I've tried. And they just are very, I guess the best way to put it is they're very secretive. And
you know, these adjustments and the dust is settled and so forth.
Move up!
Joel is with us in Fort Worth, Texas. Welcome to the Dave Ramsey Show, Joel.
Keep up with traffic.
Thanks for all you do, sir.
Thank you. How can I help?
I just became debt-free about a month ago. Got lucky, got Bridgeport. Yeah, it's awesome. I got Bridgeport, Texas in 2014. Built a home there. Sold 3.5 years later, and that is $90,000. Wow. Yeah, that market is crazy. Very, very fortunate.
So,
yeah, you're sitting there texting.
Off completely. Cars, student loans, even the
and they're old
timers. I got zero debt whatsoever.
I don't get it.
College is kind of, we're good to go. I've got
you got your gas cap open. Gas cap. Nice move.
The air was immediately sucked out of her lungs. She's dead. The whole thing was compressed. She's dead. She froze to death. She's dead. The explosion brushed all over her body and shrapnel went everywhere. She's dead.
And they'll turn on red too.
In her body everywhere. She's dead. Floating back in, and she's Superman and goes back.
And I have to thought of another thing. If it's emergency shielding that just went up, you know?
Yeah.
How'd she get back in?
Yeah,
she would have just gone bonk.
Jedi.
Yes,
Jedi. She was a Jedi. How was what? Wait a minute. How did she learn how to do this? How did she learn how to do this? She's completely untrained.
Okay, you stop here and you're back in the left lane again. What?
canon though? Or was that obliterated?
No, it's obliterated all the time.
See, the film could have done a better job.
What the fuck?
This stuff up. Somebody could have said, while she was, after she got up, and blasted a door open herself, when Finn.
What the? Where are you going?
Idiot and making a bunch of mistakes on the bridge and blasted in. I mean,
people are nuts.
They are doing so through subsidiary companies. They don't necessarily just inject directly like the Bank of Japan does, as an example.
Wow.
Okay, and all countries are doing this, of course. You can see what Canada has done. Their whole method is...
Without our emerging superstar, Aaron Rodgers just bought a stake in the Bucks. Isn't that wonderful? The NBA world thanks you for having us.
And that's a bad red light runner?
That's what he does. He wouldn't have taken that job for the money. It's too dadgum dangerous. He didn't take that job. He took that job because he's an honor-based man.
The light turned green like 2 seconds ago. No one was moving.
If you call that out,
come on.
I'm not
That's a little bit rough with that
I'm
horn.
This is the way to communicate with this man, because that...
Fun for about 2 years. We threw it all in the house and 100% worth it.
Okay, but what happened 13 months ago? Because you paid out half of it in 13 months.
Ran red light.
Yeah, we had just been going along.
Credit cards. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to go through Financial Peace University, which is a 1-year membership, and you go to 9 lessons in a group in your area, and then the rest.
Should I answer? Hello?
This is Lisa calling in regards to your credit card account. I'm not calling about any problems with your account. The reason for the call is to let you know that you're now eligible.
I don't have a credit card.
If you'd like to be transferred to a representative regarding your account, press 9 now. Again, press 9 now to speak with a representative.
I'll push the wrong button, see what happens. I'll push 4.
Your call is being transferred. Please stay on the line. A live agent will be with you momentarily.
I have no time. I'm almost where I need to be.
God, serious is holding.